Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're passionate about taking care of your health naturally, you're in the right place. Before we start, let me kindly request, please support this channel by clicking the subscribe button and pressing the bell icon, so you'll never miss any of my upcoming videos full of natural secrets. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. Your small support helps this channel grow and reach more beautiful people like you. Today, I'm going to introduce you to one of the simplest but most powerful morning drinks, black salt and lemon water. Yes, just one glass of this natural drink every morning can support digestion, cleanse your body, boost your energy, help in weight management, and much more. Let's dive deep and explore why you should consider adding this simple remedy to your daily routine. 1 powerful digestive booster. Lemon stimulates the production of stomach acids and bile, which are essential for smooth digestion. Black salt contains trace minerals and digestive enzymes that help break down food and reduce issues like bloating, gas, indigestion, and acidity. If you often suffer from heaviness after meals, this drink may become your best friend. 2. Natural detox cleanse. Our body naturally collects toxins due to pollution, unhealthy food, and stress. Lemon water acts as a gentle detoxifier for the liver and kidneys. Black salt further assists in flushing out toxins by promoting better digestion and improved hydration levels. When your body is clean from inside, your skin, energy levels, and overall health reflect it. 3. Weight management support. When consumed on an empty stomach, black salt and lemon water can help control your appetite and reduce sugar cravings throughout the day. It boosts your metabolism slightly, allowing your body to burn fat more effectively. While it's not a magic solution for weight loss, it supports your healthy diet and exercise efforts naturally. 4. Balances. Electrolytes. Black salt is rich in essential minerals like potassium, magnesium, and calcium, which help maintain electrolyte balance. This is especially helpful for people who sweat a lot or experience dehydration. It keeps your muscles, nerves, and organs functioning properly. 5. Improves skin health and natural glow. Lemon is full of vitamin C, which plays a vital role in collagen production, keeping your skin youthful, fresh, and glowing. By flushing out toxins regularly, this drink helps reduce skin problems like acne, dullness, and premature aging. Many people start noticing a brighter complexion after consistent use. 6. Strengthens immunity. Regular intake of vitamin C boosts your immune system, making your body stronger against common colds, infections, and seasonal illnesses. 7. Supports regular bowel movements. Black salt has mild laxative properties, helping those who suffer from constipation or irregular bowel habits. Lemon's natural acids stimulate bowel function, creating a gentle cleansing effect. 8. Balances acidity levels. Even though lemon tastes acidic, it has an alkalizing effect inside the body. When combined with black salt, it can help maintain a healthy pH balance, reducing acidity and heartburn for many people. 9. Supports blood pressure in moderation. Black salt has less sodium compared to regular table salt. When used in moderation, it may help people who are managing mild blood pressure issues. However, always consult your doctor if you have medical conditions. Making this drink is super simple. Take 1 glass of lukewarm water, squeeze half a fresh lemon into it. Add just a pinch of black salt, not too much. Stir well and drink it on an empty stomach every morning. For best results, try it consistently for at least 2 to 3 weeks. You will start noticing the positive changes gradually. Precautions. Always remember, don't overuse black salt. If you have kidney issues, low blood pressure, or any other medical condition, please consult your doctor before using this regularly. Pregnant or breastfeeding women should also take advice from healthcare professionals. If you learned something valuable today, please give this video a big thumbs up. It truly motivates me to create more content for you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and hit the bell icon for future natural remedies and wellness tips. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family because health is wealth. Thank you so much for spending your precious time with me today. Stay happy, stay healthy, and I'll see you in my next video with another amazing home remedy.